So in 2025, businesses are still dying because of one particular reason. Even if we have AI and other technologies in the place, businesses are still losing a lot of money just because of slow follow-ups. And a study shows that service-based businesses lost 30 to 40% of their paid leads just because of slow follow-ups. And a study also shows that if you reach out to a lead within the first 5 minutes, the chances are that they will convert into a paying client increase up to 371%. And yeah, this is not a number which I am just randomly telling you. This is a number which came out after a group of experts done their research. So that's why I built an AI voice agent which calls every single lead, no matter if you are getting hundreds of leads in a day, no matter if you are getting thousands of leads in a day. It calls every single lead within the 10 to 20 seconds. It qualifies them and it books appointments with them straight to your calendar without any human intervention. Now, before I deep dive on how to set it up and how you can do the same, let me just show you a quick live demo so that you can have an idea of this complete scenario. Yep, so you may think that why I am recording the video like this, but I need to give you some context before I show you the demo. So this particular demo is built for a real estate agent who is running ads to get more listing for his business. And obviously any lead who is interested to sell their property fills out a form like this, right? And after any lead submits a form, obviously the real estate agents himself or his VA needs to call the leads and qualify them and book them into appointments. So this is what our system solves. It calls every single lead in under 10 to 20 seconds, qualify them and book them into appointment. And now you can just check the demo and you will have an idea. So see you in the demo. Now as you can see that I have filled out the form and I will give my consent, and after I submit the form I should receive a call on my phone, right? So let's see how much time it takes to give me a call, right? So yeah, I'm getting a call. As you can see, I will pick up the call and I will talk with the AI agent, right? Hello.
Hey, is this Shivam?
Yeah, it is.
Awesome. Hey, Shivam, I'm Sarah, assistant of James, a licensed real estate agent out here. I saw you filled out a form after seeing our ad. Looks like you might be thinking about selling a property.
Yeah, that's correct. I filled out your form.
Got it. What kind of place are you looking to sell? Like, is it a house, condo, maybe land, and where is it located?
Yeah, it's a house with 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And where is the house located?
Yeah, it's in San Jose, California.
Great. So just to get a better idea, what are some of the key features of the house? Like, what's the lot size or any unique details you'd want us to know?
Yeah, as I said, like it has 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom, and also a beautiful
Uh-huh.
garden with a garage.
Perfect. So, just to confirm, you have a house in San Jose with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a beautiful garden, and a garage. Do you happen to have a price range in mind, like a ballpark of what you're hoping to sell it for?
Yeah, around 700K USD.
All right, so just to make sure I've got everything right, you're looking to sell a house in San Jose with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a beautiful garden, a garage, and your ideal price is around $700K, yeah?
Yeah, that's correct.
Awesome. What's the earliest possible timeline you have in mind to sell the property?
If I get a good deal, obviously I will sell it as quickly as possible.
Got it. So you're looking to sell as quickly as possible if you get a good deal. Before we move on, is there anything else you want James to know or any questions you might have?
No, I just want James to know that I am eagerly, I want to sell the property as soon as possible, but I want to have a, good deal.
Understood. I'll make sure to pass that along. So here's what's next. I'll send you a calendar link via email so you can pick a time that works for a quick call with James. He'll go over your options and next steps with you directly. Let me just get that set up for you.
Sure.
I've sent you the calendar link to your email. You can choose a time that works for you to have that quick call with James. Thanks so much for your time, Shabam. We're excited to help you get the best deal possible. Talk soon.
Sure. Have a great day. Bye. Now, as you can see that I have got the mail as well, and now I have also got the booking link. So if I go through the link, I can book a call with the real estate agent, obviously. And you can see that the whole email is personalized, like the location of the property, timeline to sell, expected price, right? All of the information is in the email. Now, as we all know, if you are in the voice AI space and you know about AI pretty much, you will know that this kind of voice agent can book the call right away. I mean, book an appointment right away in the call, right? But for this video, I have, approached a different thing, which is, I think, the most reliable way to, set appointments. Now to, cover up this flow, I have prepared a follow-up flow so that anyone, like after I have a conversation with the voice agent, if anyone don't book a call with using this link, they will get a follow-up call in like few minutes. Obviously, in real world scenario, it can be like in few days, in few hours. But to show you the complete demo in a single video, I have set it. I have set the follow-up system in about 3 minutes. So I will get uh, again. I will get a call again from the voice agent, where the voice agent will say something like, why didn't you book a call? I have seen that, I called you 2 days back, right? So that kind of stuff. So if I show you my mail, you will see I will also receive some, follow-up emails in the first hand. Then I will get a call. As you can see, I have got like 2 emails already. I will show you all of the workflows, all of the GHL snapshots in a minute. But yeah, as you can see, I have get a follow-up email. Hi Shivam, just checking in. James has already reviewed the details you shared, and he is prepared to walk you through a tailored strategy to help you sell confidently. Like a follow-up email, whatever the follow-up email, whatever the content is. Then the second follow-up email. Now in a minute I should get a call again from the same voice agent, and then I will have a conversation, and then I will show you how you can set up the same kind of thing for your business or for your client business, whatever the case is, right? So these are the two follow-up emails, and as you can see that I am getting another call. This is a follow-up call. So I will pick it up and I will talk with the AI agent. Hello.
Hey, is this Shivam?
Yeah, it is.
Hey, Shivam. It's Sarah again, James' assistant. We had chatted a couple of days ago about your property in San Jose that you're looking to sell, remember? I noticed you haven't picked a time to chat with James yet. Totally no pressure, but I just wanted to check in. Is there anything holding you back or any questions I can help with?
Yeah, actually, I got a little bit busy because of my work,
Oh, totally get it.
and I'm also out of my
Gotcha.
station. So yeah.
I All right, I've just resent the link to your email, so it'll be easy to find whenever you're ready. No rush at all, just whenever it works for you. James is looking forward to helping you out with your property in San Jose. Thanks for your time, Shivam, and safe travels while you're out of town.
Yeah, sure. Bye. Have a great day. Bye. As you can see, it has again sent me the link to book a call so that it can be in top of my email inbox. Obviously the follow-up thing, where we are sending the links, it can be through multi-channel, like in through WhatsApp, through SMS, through emails. Multi-channel, it can be multi-channel, right? But yeah, this is the demo. Now as you have seen the demo, I will show you how you can set up a similar system for your business or for your client's business. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to the description of this video. You need to go to my community and you need to download the templates, right? So I am assuming that you are going to download the templates, right? And then I, in the video, I will show you how you can set it up, right? And even if you don't want to download the template from my community, and if you want like a video where I have shown how anyone can build a similar system like this from scratch, so I already have two videos showing that how you can build the similar system from scratch. So you can check out those videos. If I show you those videos, let me just quickly show you. um, Let me just quickly show you so that you can also see. So I think it will take some time. So yeah, this is my channel, as you know, and you can check these two videos. This is the part one, this is the part two, where I have shown that how you can build this similar system from completely scratch, right? So you can check that out. But for now, I will assume that you have downloaded the templates, the prompts from the description from my community, right? And then I will quickly explain all of the things. Now, as soon as you download all of the things, you have to import all of the things into their respective tools, respective softwares, right? So first of all, let me just give you a general overview what is happening uh, here in the scenario. So as I said, that the voice agent gets triggered after a form submission, and after someone submits the form, the all of the details goes to go high level, and it create contacts by default, right? And then what it do, we have set up some automation to get all of the details of the leads from go high level to our innate workflow, so that we can trigger the voice agent, right? So this is the particular workflow where we are sending all of the information of the leads to our innate workflow, and it is triggering the API request, and it is triggering the voice agent. And then the voice agent calls us, and after calls us, it asks some questions, and this is the voice agent. Obviously, you will get all of the things in the community, right? And after it have a conversation with the lead, it sends all of the details like the amenities, like the lead status, like the all the details regarding the properties, the timeline they want to sell the property. All of the things got sent to high level again, right? And after it updated all of the things, obviously if someone's book a call, well and good. If don't, we have a follow-up sequence in high level which sends them two follow-up emails for the video purpose, but for actual purpose we use like 5-step 7-step follow-up sequences. So it can have different timelines for the follow-up system, but for the demo purposes or for this video purposes, we have done this with 3 follow-up emails, I mean 2 follow-up emails and 1 follow-up call, right? So this is kind of the system. This is what is happening in the workflow. And we have two voice agents in Retell AI, right? We have two voice agents in Retell AI. One is the first voice agent which will do the initial call, and then we have the follow-up agent which will follow up with the leads if they don't book, right? Now as soon as you get the templates from my community, what you need to do, you need to go here. First we can start with Retell AI, right? And in Retell AI, what you need to do, you can see that there is a button, or whatever you want to say, that as you can see there is a particular section, there is a button named import. You have to click that. If you have downloaded, if you click here, it will show the JSON files here, and you can directly import the voice agent here. So you can import these two voice agents by using the import feature in Retell AI. So this is the thing for Retell AI. Now if I go to N8, so in N8, what you need to do, you need to go to these three dots. You need to click on import from file, and it will open up your file manager, and you can import the JSON file here, right? And it will actually show this thing, this particular workflow, right? By the way, just a quick announcement, I just relaunched my own community, and now I am more into this community, and we have a lot of stuff coming there. So yeah, you can join that community. You will get a lot of ready to sell templates and all of that stuff. With my personal guidance, you will get weekly Q&As where you can ask me any type of questions regarding agencies, AI, automation, technical questions, right? You can do all of that stuff. And yeah, you can join that. It is like $1 for the first 50 members, and that $1 is not for my revenue. It is just for the thing that I only want serious people there. That's why I have like put there $1 just to filter out the noise and only get serious people in the community. So yeah, I hope I will see you there, and if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments and I will try to answer it.